BODDAMN, and in this video, push workout, physique update, some random stuff going on. We're just gonna open up a fitness vlog, so here we go. Welcome to the BODDAMN channel. This channel is all about food, fitness, and how to live an active, healthy lifestyle. In about 2 seconds, we're gonna be in my home gym. We're gonna be doing a push workout. Should be a lot of fun with some friends over here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the link, the first link down below. You can get the free guide right here. I built this guide about 6 months ago, and it'll tell you how to build some really cool, high quality muscle. Okay, so let's get into the gym and get the first workout of the morning. It is Monday, and we got a push workout, relatively heavy, and yeah, from there we'll see what else happens. I'll show you what I'm eating, we'll show you a physique update, and we'll just take it from there. Definitely put in the time to warm up, it's super important. All right, what up, guys? So we're gonna do a physique update real quick, see what the gains look like, and let's check it out. So let's go. I'm gonna do it over here, and Matt will film me. You guys let me know down below. Comment. What do you think? Let's see. There we go. All right. So this is what the physique looks like right now. Sitting around probably 193. I don't know. Not too bad, right? Oh, there we go. Some good light. Yeah, insertion's looking pretty good too. Ab insertion's looking good. Yep. Hard work, guys. Actually, it's not that much work. Now that I think about it, it's just a part of the system coming together. It's a lot of the system. A little Fight Clubbish, maybe. A little too much. Who knows? There's like hardly any skin right here, too. Look at that. There's like hardly anything. But crazy. Yeah, this is probably, I don't know, maybe 9 or 10% body fat, possibly. Who knows? I'll start my cut probably from here. Maybe cut 1 or 2% body fat. Nothing crazy. I'm pretty happy with what this is, honestly. So you guys let me know down below. Yo, how's the workout?
It's great.
Yeah?
Definitely see a huge improvement in terms of strength.
Yeah.
Muscle, like striations coming out. I mean, it's a great program. And I haven't done it completely, but I've tried to integrate myself more into it, and like I'm definitely seeing results. Good stuff.
Your body, dude. Look at this.
I'm on the bulking. I'm finally getting the cut, so everything should start coming together.
Yeah, dude.
I'm getting there.
Getting there for sure. Look at that. So we're working on his frame first.
I need to get a little here.
You can see the frame coming in. You can see the lines coming in. So we're building the frame first, and then he's going to cut down about 10, maybe 15 pounds. And all these cuts are going to start coming
Probably
in.
About 10. I'm at about 202 right now.
202?
So 190 to 195.
6 foot what?
6'2 and a half.
6'2 and a half. So we're going to turn him into a very lean, muscular, almost like a swimmer's looking body. And it's going to look killer. I'm telling you right now. Good gains, man. Good gains.
I look forward to those heavy days, and once you get through with those, you start looking forward to the lighter days. But it's definitely great to switch it up so you get more dynamic kind of a workout. Changes things up a bit.
You're going for a more leaner look. That's what you want this summer?
Yeah, I want to build the structure, but also want the mobility and the look. So functional fitness.
Yeah, you've been showing up a lot too.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you tie your bands, all right?
Yeah.
Go ahead and tie those bands. It's officially smoothie time. What do we have in this little Ninja, little XL kind of thing? So there are frozen blueberries in there. There's a banana. We have flaxseed, we have chia seed, we have 3 different types of protein. In fact, brown rice, pea, and then there's another thing in here as well. So there's probably 50 to 60 grams of protein, the banana, the blueberries, and then the flaxseed and the chia seed. You can see right there. That's what's in my first smoothie, and in about 20 minutes, I'll be eating an actual meal. That said, now it is about 1:30 in the day, and it's time for me to get some more reading done, work on a couple other video concepts. If you do want to see a video of something fitness related, maybe active mindset, maybe even spiritual fitness. We can talk about that on the BODDAMN channel right here. Put a comment down below what you want to see me talk about, or maybe you want to see me do, and I will consider making a video about that. But guys, thanks a lot for watching. First of all, I'm not going to end the video here. We're going to see where the rest of the day takes us, but I do want to take 1 second to thank you guys for watching, at least up until this part of the video. So thank you so much. All right, so the book I'll be reading right now, this is, you know, when I get these books, they don't look like this. They have the, you know, whatever, the thing on the outside. So I don't like reading them with that thing on the outside. It like pisses me off. So this one is Inner Engineering by Sadhguru. This is an amazing book so far. I'm only like 10% of the way through it. I really like this book already. So you might want to get into this. If not, if you're like, oh, I don't want to order a book, go to the London Real Sadhguru interview. See if you can locate it on the internet. It is amazing. It'll probably change, not your life, but it'll make you start thinking differently pretty quickly. So Sadhguru, all right? London Real interview. It's about 1 hour and 30 minutes long if you find it. It's awesome. All right, first real meal of the day. We have a whole avocado on top of 4 eggs. There's also a little bit of wild rice in there, and then some ranch style beans are underneath the entire thing. Don't know if you can see them. There you go. So that, some spinach, and salsa on top. Very basic first meal. I'm watching this thing called Out of Shadows that Matt sent me about some conspiracy Hollywood stuff, which already is opening up to be a really interesting thing on YouTube. But yeah, this is the first actual meal of the day, and I'm going to eat it up. Okay, now it's the time of the day where I'm going to be filming a video and showing it on this whiteboard. It'll be on YouTube, actually probably before you watch this vlog right now. This video will be about 5 performance tips to getting a better gym workout, or just 5 tips to getting a better gym workout. And you know, these are the things I'm going to be talking about. I always make a little outline before I do any of my videos. So here's the outline right here. Have a goal, incorporate structure, get a pre-pump ritual, understand basic CNS recovery, and track obsessively. Those are the 5 tips I want to talk about. And you can watch the entire video as the video before this one. If my editing goes the way it's supposed to be, it's going to be the video before this. So go check it out, and it'll be the whiteboard one right here, right there. So hopefully I can get that reflection out of there. I'm going to shoot it like right here, and it should be a perfect non-reflecting kind of thing. So that's what's going on right now. I'm going to film this video and get it done, and then edit it today. Maybe even like right now. We'll see. All right, the video is saving right now. It's about 5:30 in the day, and my brother came over. He's in the BODDAMN gym right now. Let's go see what he is working out. Yo, what are you working out?
Just warming up.
Are you warming up?
Yep.
What are you gonna be doing today?
Shoulders and legs.
Nice. Look at you doing some mobility stuff. Nice.
You have to.
All right. Look at your hair too. Hair's crazy. Crazy hair. All right, see you later. So currently in the evening time, getting Pinky out, testing out these new shoes, the cleats on them basically, making sure that the cleats are properly placed. I mean, they're almost new. They were basically an REI store return. I managed to get them for like 25 bucks. But anyway, this is a really good company when it comes to mountain biking stuff. So testing out the cleats. These shoes are so different from my last one. Finding out where they clip and engage. It's crazy. Start. Oh, that was a little harder to get in, but whatever. Basically, I'm clipped into this bike. So if I stop pedaling and I don't unclip, I fall to the ground. Yeah. So it's a great thing for mountain biking. It's a terrible thing when you're actually crashing though. But people do clip-ins so you can actually get your hamstrings involved. You can bring your pedals up and get almost double the power on all kinds of stuff. So, but the flip side is if you don't know how to unclip when things are going wrong, then it can get really crazy. All right, further down the evening, and I'm eating some garlic, potatoes, and onions, a little bit of ketchup, and some tofu that has a little bit of masala seasoning on it. That's a little bit of dinner, but it is pretty good, and it's pretty basic, relatively healthy. Yeah, I probably could stand to have a little bit more tofu, so I might make some more. We'll see. I start every one of my mornings off with a lot of water, all right, and coffee. So that's going down right now. About to do some meditation. Actually, the entire morning ritual. So that's going to comprise of meditation, breathing exercises, reading, journaling, and a couple other things that are a little bit more experimental that are kind of like journaling, but yeah, it occurs at the same time. So Yeah, that's what's going on this morning. Got workout in about 2.5 hours from now. Feels good to be up. Beautiful day outside, hopefully. And I'll definitely stop this vlog right before the workout. I'll kind of take you into the meditation a little bit and that kind of morning ritual a little bit into there so you can see kind of how I set up my day before the day even starts. Okay, so here we are at the loft of my house. And right here is kind of like the place that I'll sit and I'll do my meditation with these earbuds, right? I'll pick one out of YouTube, usually a 10 or a 15-minute one. Guided meditation is what I'm looking for. After that, I'm gonna be doing some Wim Hof breathing exercises. You can search on YouTube for all that too. I go into some other breathing exercises sometimes, but Wim Hof ones are definitely a good place to start. After that, I go into my journaling, all right? So I do gratitude journaling, basically things that I am grateful for. And I also do this other thing called ARR that is a little bit more experimental that I'm doing, that I made up. And it stands for affirmation, regression, and resolution. So basically it is an exercise where I affirm something, I tear it down, or I tear myself down, and then I rebuild with a positive statement. So if that makes any kind of sense. So that's ARR, something that I work on myself. But yeah, that is the third thing. And then after that, I do reading. Here's the Inner Engineering by Sadhguru. I was reading this before I went to bed last night. I'm already, I don't know, 20% through this book. It's a really good book so far. I really like it. I think this is where I'm going to stop the video because the workout's going to start up and people will be coming over like in 2.5 hours. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned a couple things. Yeah, and we'll whip out the camera again starting this morning. But yeah, if you got to this far, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next BODDAMN video. Take it easy. Goodbye!